How you doing out there, all you back cave dwellers? Unknown bass player coming at you. I'm going to try to put the electronics in the body today without goofing it up. Give you an idea how I do it. I'll probably start it out, show you to go ahead and do it, and then come back because it'll take me quite a while. But I also wanted to show you this top. I put all the braces in it. I ended up putting these last ones around the sound hole. But they're all on, top fit perfectly on the body. Put the electronics in it. Should be ready to try to get it together. So what I did with this, I explained some of it earlier. This is what I'm going to try to install. Made a pattern for it, laid it out on the top of the guitar side where I think it's going to go. I'm going to take this saw, drill. What I do is it right in here. I'll drill a hole. I might drill one in each corner. Take the coping saw, it'll go in there, come apart, and I'll put it through the hole, then I'll cut it out. Like I said, it will be time consuming for me, so I'll show you what I'm going to do. Right now I'm just going to go ahead and try to drill the first hole and hope I don't mess everything up. I'm going to put a block of wood underneath of it so it don't break going through. Okay, there's one. I think I'll put another one in. Okay, there's the other one. Now, for people that haven't maybe used one of these, the handle here is going to unscrew, which will make this piece in here longer. Then I'll bend it together and take the blade out after I open it up. Okay. I push it together and the blade comes out. So now I'll take that blade over here, put it through one of the holes that I've drilled. Put it back into the saw. I'm going to try to put it back into the saw. Okay, now that's on that side of it. I'll put it back into this end. I'm having a heck of a time here. That's the way it's supposed to work. I see a pin of my blades come loose. There, there's a little pin in there that goes in that slot, and it actually is loose and slid over. Okay, now I'll put this up here, and I want to cut this way, so I'll turn this blade in within the saw. And after I got it going the right direction, I'll tighten the handle up. There we go. Now the teeth are going in the right direction. And what I'll do is I'll just start cutting it. And I'll cut along the lines till I get it cut out. I'm going to go ahead and try to do that, and I'll be right back. All right, I got her cut out. Drilled a couple holes in there. Might have to sand it a little bit wider because I tried to leave it short because I want a snug fit, because I don't have a lot of room on the sides of these things. That's got to fit on there without gapping, so I cut inside the lines. There's the piece that come out of it. Oh, I'm sorry. This is the piece that come out of it. Right here. So I'll try to see if it fits in there. Like I said, I cut it short because I want to make sure it's snug. Just not going in. I might have to take a 1/16 off. I'll use sandpaper. I'll get that to fit, and I'll be right back. All right, that took me some time actually. I had to cut it out. I cut it small because I wanted it to fit perfectly. Then I had to take sandpaper and a file, kind of work the wood down, work it into place. Show you what I ended up with. This piece right here is going to go in there. Okay. And this will fit down in here at a slight angle, drops right in. Laying perfect. That's laying, once that's screwed in there, this will lift up. That's how you change a battery. Okay, now I gave this piece here, going to support it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this will actually go on there like that for support, and that thing will still fit right in there. That's how I'm going to glue that on. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.